Firstly, we start from some simple facts. It has a long history of 1,000 years. It turns at 50 to 20 revolutions per minute. It's quite large. One takes less than 1 acre, which is 4,044 meters square. It's been 7% to 80% of this time. It's high as 20 stories buildings. Generally, there are 3 brains. Each of them is about 60 meters long. Wind turbine can be constructed in both offshore and onshore. And the pioneer of wind turbine is a German physicist. We found that one wind turbine can provide power for 1,219 homes, as well as 30,000 refrigerators and 28 million kettles too. The most important things that we found is that it can provide the same amount of energy as 16,000 solar panels. Now we will talk about energy density. We all know the formula of kinetic energy, and this is the formula that we found to calculate the mass. This is the air density at sea level, and time is 1 second. We got this formula to calculate the energy of wind turbine. We consider the wind speed as 16 meters per second. We will apply the data of the largest wind turbine in the world. And we do this calculation and we get 31 megajoules. This is the formula to calculate the volumes. And we got about 10,000 meters cubed. Through the formula, we got the final result.
3. Specific energy of wind. For wind turbines, KE have this equation, and therefore specific energy equal to energy divided by mass, so it have this equation. Let's assume that wind velocity is equal to 5, so therefore the specific energy of wind turbine is 12.5. 4. Statistic of use. Wind energy production reached 4.4% of worldwide electric power usage and providing 11.6% of the electricity in the European country. However, here is the ranking, and Denmark is the country with the highest penetration of wind power, which is 43.4%. And at least 83 other countries are using wind power.
5. Ecological impacts. For the advantages of wind energy. Unlike fossil fuels, wind energy does not cause any air nor water pollution. Hence, it is considered as a clean and environmental friendly source of energy. Also, to stand a wind turbine, only a small plot of land is required, which allows the rest of the land to be used for cultivation as well as agriculture purposes. However, there are also disadvantages of wind energy. People living near wind turbines often complain that the noise produced by the wind turbines has been disturbing their life greatly. Also, the wind turbines can also be a factor that blocks beautiful scenery, and it also brings the risk of birds being accidentally killed by the rotating blades of the wind turbine.
6. The economic impact.
advantage of using wind energy. Because wind itself is free, it has a low running cost. The cost is only for maintenance of wind turbine. The energy used in construction of wind turbine is equal to the energy it produced in 6 months. It creates jobs for the people, and the landowner can get extra cash for renting or selling the land. Disadvantage: the initial cost of construction is high. Because it takes time and money for investigating the suitable area and do the sample test. It has opportunity cost for both the subsidy provided by the government and the land. Lastly, it creates externalities such as noise pollution considered to be a